it's Jessie, and today I'm back with another very fun and exciting empties video. I've got to admit, I'm a massive hoarder. I would hold on to everything. So these empties videos are good for me because after I'm done, I clear this stuff out and get it gone where it belongs. So I have an entire bag full of goodies. I've been saving stuff up for a couple months since I did my last empties video, which was, I think, quite a while ago. But let's go ahead and get started. I actually have quite a few hair products today, quite a few shampoos that I've gone through. First is the OGX Renewing Argan Oil of Morocco shampoo. I use this shampoo for a while. One thing to know about me is I'm constantly rotating my shampoos. I have at least 2 or 3 different ones in the shower at all times. I have like kind of finicky hair, and so I like to switch up my shampoo because I feel like once it gets used to a shampoo, it reacts a certain way, which is really weird. Does my hair have a life of its own? Quite possibly. But this one I've used for a couple years on and off. My friend Emily that I used to work with recommended this. She said she would always get compliments on how silky and shiny her hair was whenever she used this, and I agree. It's really awesome. I really love this. It's also always on sale at Ulta, so that's nice also. Next, I have the L'Oreal Extraordinary Clay Rebalancing Shampoo. This is another one that I tried out. I did really like this shampoo. I haven't repurchased this yet because I've been trying out some other different ones, but I would definitely use this again. As you can see by this container, it was definitely loved. This is the L'Oreal Total Repair Conditioner. Now, I never used to use conditioner. I always thought that it made my hair kind of greasy, but lately I've actually been loving it, and maybe it's just because this conditioner is really good. This was actually recommended by the girl that does Ben's hair. Ben had like really dry, flaky scalp for a while, and she recommended that he get this conditioner, and it cleared up his hair like literally I think the first time that he used it. And this is also like the only conditioner that I've been able to use in my entire life that like didn't make my hair greasy. Now maybe that's because my hair is also longer than it's ever been in my entire life, but I have really been enjoying this. I actually got the shampoo version when I repurchased the conditioner, and that's the shampoo I've been using lately, and I really love it. Okay, a couple more hair products here. Another thing about me, I love hair masks. I love any kind of mask. I love face masks, I love sheet masks. I love hair masks. So this one is the TRESemmé Keratin Smooth 5-in-1 Deep Smoothing Mask. I used the shampoo, I'm pretty sure this was in my last empties video. I had talked about the TRESemmé shampoo, and this is the hair mask that kind of goes with it. When I first started using this, the smell was unbelievable. It smelled like you were in a salon. Then it sort of went away. I don't know why. The smell, maybe I got used to it. I don't know. It stopped having that same smell. But I do really like this mask. I feel like it's very conditioning on your hair. I use this about once a week. I haven't repurchased this yet because I'm just waiting for it to go on sale. It's always on sale and just wasn't the last time I was at Target. I've also been using that conditioner, so I haven't been doing the masks as often, although what I usually do is do a mask once a week when I don't use conditioner. And then another mask that I tried out was the TRESemmé Botanique Nourish and Replenish with coconut milk and aloe vera. This was also a really nice mask that I enjoyed, and I would definitely buy again. Typically what happens is if I'm at Target or at Ulta and I'm cruising the aisles and I see a mask or something that jumps out at me, I buy it. That's just how I am, really, with any shopping. Yeah, that's about right. Next, I have some primers. Clearly, I've been hitting the primers hard lately because I have 3 of them. First, I have the NYX Pore Filler. If you've watched my videos in the last maybe 6 months, maybe less than that, maybe 3 or 4 months, I've used this religiously. I really enjoy this pore filler. I think it's really good. It feels really good on your skin, and I definitely recommend it. I need to pick up another one. Then I have the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer, the regular one, and also the hydrating one. I'm pretty sure I picked up at least one of these during one of the Sephora sales. These are massively expensive when they're not on sale. And I know this doesn't look empty, but it is. I promise you, I can't get any more out of this unless I like cut it open, which maybe I should do. I may end up repurchasing one of these, probably the hydrating one in the next Sephora sale. We'll see. Next, we have a product that lasted me so long. I was actually shocked when it ran out, and that's the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. This stuff really lasts a long time. I'm pretty sure I had this for like a year and a half or 2 years, like a really long time. And I did use it a lot. This is definitely another splurge item that I purchased during one of the Sephora sales a while ago. But I do have to say that this is totally worth the money. I've tried a whole bunch of different setting powders, and I always come back to this one. This one is just amazing, and I highly recommend it. And I have already repurchased it and have been using it because it's great. Okay, and finally I have some skincare items. I feel like I talk about this all the time. I think I probably talked about this in my last Empties video, but I am obsessed with this stuff, so I'll just keep talking about it. This is the Skyn Iceland Antidote Cooling Daily Lotion. I've gone through now I think 3 or 4 of these. I talked about this in one of my last videos that I just bought 2 on HauteLook. They were on sale. It was an awesome deal and I love it. I also have the Kate Somerville ExfoliKate treatment. I love this. I'm pretty sure I've talked about this in past videos also. I use this about once a week. I have about 3 different exfoliating products that I keep in my shower. This is one of them, and I kind of switch off throughout the week which one I use. I've gone through a couple of these, but I always do get these smaller size ones because the regular size one is massively expensive. This is a little bit more reasonable, especially if you get it during a Sephora sale. That's just what I do. I also have this Belif Hungarian water essence. I got this as a sample, I think in either one of my last Ipsies. No, I got this in a Sephora play box. I did like 1 or 2 Sephora play boxes, and I got this and I loved it. I actually keep trying to decide if I want to buy the full-size one or not. I feel like there's so many of these like water creams lately. Like I feel like that's a hot thing. I know Peter Thomas Roth has the water drench, which I keep looking at also. So I need some more skincare products, but I haven't decided. It's hard because they're so expensive. So I just gotta decide what I'm gonna get. And then finally I have the Korres Jasmine Lip Butter. I think I've gone through like 5 or 6 of all the different flavor ones of these. There was a while there where they were always out of stock at Sephora, and so I got whatever flavor they had. This is the jasmine one. I've also used the guava one. I really like the guava one because it's a little clearer. The only thing that I hate about this is this stupid container. If you have nails, it's just disgusting to like dip your finger in there. If you don't have nails, it's a little bit better, but I generally have longer nails and it's just like gets under your fingernails. It's really nasty. I wish they made this in some other form, either like a pan where I could just put my finger in or like a squeeze tube. Oh, I just threw it in the garbage. I do find that that lip butter does stay hydrating on your lips for a really long time, which is one of my pet peeves with lip balms and lip butters, is if it dries up really quickly and you keep having to reapply it because you go through it faster. That's kind of annoying, but I do really like that one, and I probably will end up repurchasing that. Okay, and that brings us to the bottom of the bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.